Namaskar. Welcome to my channel Anantami. Today I will talk about national education policy and design education and multidisciplinarity in design education. See, national education policy was announced in 2020. It is called as NEP 2020. It has various aspects. So, multidisciplinarity is one aspect of national education policy 2020. Another is flexibility given in higher education, choice-based credit system, academic bank of credit, internationalization. There are multiple aspects which are covered under national education policy. But most important aspect from design education point of view is choice-based credit system, the flexibility given in curriculum, the flexibility given in entry and exit. So these play a very important role while you select a design institute or a design program. Design is always multidisciplinary kind of education. Design doesn't have its own structured content or own structured syllabus. So you'll essentially find one design program syllabus different than other design program syllabus, and from institute to institute, from school to school, the syllabus will vary. So multidisciplinarity in design is very important. So generally a question is asked whether I should learn a design program in standalone design institute or a multidisciplinary university. My answer will be you must go and learn design in multidisciplinary environment. It's not about standalone or multidisciplinary university, it's about multidisciplinary environment, which is the essential part of design education. Because when you are learning design, you need so many other areas of higher education to be around. In a multidisciplinary environment, you are surrounded by, let's say, engineer, computer science students, bioengineering students, law students, management students, architecture students, fine arts students, sociology students, psychology students. You're surrounded by all these students. So learning design in this type of environment is always better than learning design in typical hard-coded, hardwired design environment. Because design is not about learning particular area, it's about covering so many aspects of problem solving. And if you are surrounded by these people, at least you get introduced to variety of topics, variety of areas, variety of areas of operations, so that you'll at least know from where to get what. And design or problem solving activity requires knowledge of all these allied fields. Just imagine you are working on a project and you need some help from computer science, and there is a student, fellow student who stays in your hostel and he comes and helps you. Or someone from management side and he comes and helps you in preparing project plan. So design is all about multidisciplinarity, and national education policy promotes multidisciplinarity in a big way. That's why when you select design institute, I think it will be a good decision, wise decision to select a multidisciplinary university. It can be public university, it can be private university, it can be deemed university, but the environment has to be multidisciplinary. Because when you solve a problem, let's say you are a product designer. Today you are working on a project on some automotive product. So you must understand how automotive works. You must understand how the entire automobile as a system works. Tomorrow you start working on something related to medical devices. So in that case, you must understand how drug delivery works. In that case, you must understand how the whole anatomy of the body works. So you must have an environment wherein you are in a position to go and check that particular knowledge base whenever you require, and that is where multidisciplinarity plays very important role. Choice-based credit system is also very important parameter of national education policy. So, if you are in NEP enabled environment, I would say, if your entire credit structure is choice based, you will be probably able to get the topics, the syllabus as per your choice. For example, you can select something as major. Let's say you are selecting product design as a major, and there is a provision to select a minor. What you can do is you can go and select, let's say, user experience design as a minor. So you will be good at product design, but you will be also knowing essentials of user experience design. Now this facility is required in every design school, and this facility is always available in a national education policy enabled universities or schools or institutes. So this is the importance of multidisciplinarity. This is the importance of choice-based credit system, because you will be definitely good at one thing, but what else can you do? That's what industry wants to know. Industry wants people who are multitaskers, and to become multitasker, it's essential to learn many more skills at in one go, and that is possible only through open electives, that is possible only through discipline specific electives, that is possible only through having majors and minors, or that is possible only through industry orientations or industry internships or exposure to world education, exposure to foreign universities, doing some programs or some interaction with international universities. So all these aspects are covered under national education policy, and most of the universities in India are now implementing national education policy. So when you go and ask for design education essentials, I think one of the most important essential which you ask for is choice-based credit system and this multidisciplinary environment. That will definitely help you to become a better designer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please follow me, and you can comment and ask questions about whatever I am delivering. I'll be very happy to guide you. Namaskar.